Welcome back to another episode of Quick Clean Eats. On today's episode, I'm going to be working again with French fries, as you all know my favorite. But today is going to be a very simple, awesome recipe called avocado fries. So stay tuned. I'll be showing you how to do that right away. Alright, so avocado fries, I seen about maybe 2 years ago, but I've been playing with it, trying to figure out how to come up with an easy recipe where it's not fried and it's not, just thrown into the fryer like, most recipes are. So I came up with a simple one. So what we're going to do is take one avocado, you're going to split it in half. You already showed you how to do this before. Take your knife, take out the pit, discard the pit. You're going to cut it into 4 wedges, 3 maybe. This avocado is kind of small. So this one will be 3. So 3 nice wedges. So just a little kosher salt over the top. Set that aside. Now we're going to get our bread ready for the recipe. So what we're going to do is just take a little bit of the toasted coconut, some flour, some panko breadcrumbs. Toss that apart. We're going to add 2 ounces of almonds. And there you go. This is the breading for the avocado fries. So to bread them, you're going to do a standard breading procedure. So you're going to do flour, egg whites, breading. And then you're going to set up your little sheet pan on the side. So take your avocado fries, your avocado wedges at this point, they're not fries yet. And sprinkle here. You can see I already got flour all over me. That's normal. I always somehow get dirty when I'm doing stuff like this, especially breading. Breading, everything goes everywhere. So make sure you get nice coated flour all over your avocado. If it's not drenched in flour, then it's not going to sit there and bread easily. So now what I do, I always work with one clean hand. So I'm throwing one into egg. Then the next one I'm going to sit there and toss like this. And that sits right there. So now that they're there, they're done like this. I'm going to put this all to the side. I'm going to take a rag, clean my hands. You can use gloves if you want to be a little bit more clean. I have an oven at 450 high. I'm going to throw these in. It's going to be about 5 minutes at the most. In the meantime, we need a little sauce. I always like to do sauces with the fries. Standard is always ketchup, but for this one I want to do something a little different. So what I got here is about 3 ounces of mayo. You can use 3 to 4 ounces. This is just 3 ounces of regular mayo. You can use low-fat mayo if you would like. I'm going to use just regular mayo. Then I'm going to take just some kimchi. Kimchi is just fermented cabbage. I need about 1.5 ounces. That much of it, you're okay with this kind of food in moderation. So you fill up your little serving container. So this is what I'm using. You set it aside. So while I'm waiting for the fries to be done, I'm going to give you a couple tips. First tip is these fries can be done ahead of time. You can freeze them and then just pop them out, throw them in the oven. Of course, if you freeze them, it's going to take a little longer in the oven, so be aware of that. These are very good as a topping to go on top of a salad, to go on the side of a burger or a sandwich or wrap or anything like that. So those are just a couple little tips. Okay, the fries are done. So like I said, it was about 5 minutes on 45 high. Now at home, you might not have a convection oven, so it's just simple math. All you do is add 50 more degrees to it, so 450, 500 degrees at home at a regular oven. Now they're done. I'm going to put them on my serving plate. You can see how beautiful they are. They're never going to have that full golden brown color if you fried them, but this is so much healthier because they've been just baked. Make sure not to go over the time because then they will become really soft because it is avocado. Now for garnish, you know, I was going to take a couple of little cilantro leaves and just drop them on top. You always want to add a little bit of color to the plate. I mean, it's green. You can also add diced tomato or even a little green onion. But I'm just going to add a little cilantro just going for the theme. And then put one right here. So there you go. Avocado fries. Now to try them and see how they are. So I just take a fork, cut it. You can see right away it's still nice and dense in the middle. It's still a little al dente but soft on the outside. Dip. So good. So that's this week's video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, hit subscribe. As always, you can follow me on Instagram at chefjesseq. Please leave me any comments, any feedbacks, any suggestions for a new video. I'm always looking for new ideas. So please, thank you so much, and see you guys next week. Don't forget, every Tuesday and every Saturday a new video drops. Until next week, take care. Bye.